Have you ever found yourself wondering, what would life be like when you retire? It's a crucial question that often goes unanswered. Retirement planning is not a luxury, it's a necessity. With the unpredictability of the future, it's imperative to have a well-thought-out strategy. Alarmingly, a large percentage of individuals ignore this essential aspect of life. They neglect to plan for their retirement years, leaving their future in a state of uncertainty. Retirement planning isn't just about the money, it's about designing your future life. Now that we understand the importance, let's dive into the steps of retirement planning. Our first step is determining your retirement needs. It's more than just dreaming about traveling the world or buying a beach house. It's about understanding the costs associated with these dreams. You also need to consider daily living expenses, healthcare costs, and any potential debt repayments. The second step is factoring in inflation. Over time, the cost of living tends to rise. What seems like a comfortable amount now might not be sufficient 20 or 30 years down the line. So, always account for inflation when calculating your retirement needs. Next, we consider investment options. Diversifying your portfolio is key. Think beyond just savings accounts. Look into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and even retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. Each of these options has its own set of benefits and risks, so it's crucial to understand them before making a decision. Our fourth step is setting realistic financial goals. It's about striking a balance between your present lifestyle and your future needs. Don't be overly optimistic, but don't undersell yourself either. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Finally, regularly review your plan. Your needs and circumstances can change over time, so your plan should be flexible enough to accommodate these changes. And there you have it, 5 easy steps to begin your journey to a well-planned retirement. So, what are the key points to remember when planning for retirement? Let's recap. First and foremost, start early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. It's the magic of compound interest. Your money makes more money for you. Second, always take inflation into account. Your purchasing power today won't be the same in the future, so plan your retirement corpus accordingly. Third, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different asset classes to balance risk and returns. Fourth, set realistic goals. Your retirement plan should be a reflection of the lifestyle you envision for your golden years. Finally, review your plan regularly. Life is unpredictable and your plans might need to be tweaked along the way, so keep a close eye on your retirement plan and adjust as necessary. Remember, the future is not something you enter, it's something you create. Start creating your retirement life today.